Hey there, welcome back to Sci Channel today.
One blow is all that's needed. Just 2 drops of a black mamba's venom can kill a creature the size of a human. For the rat, the end will be swift. The snake waits as paralyzing toxins take effect on its victim. A quick nudge to ensure the rat is immobile, and the snake begins its feast. Swallowing the rat the same way as the grain of the fur helps the meal slip down without hassle. Even before the food is swallowed, digestion begins. The snake's venom contains enzymes that are already working to break down the rat. After its lunch, the black mamba finds a sunny retreat. It will stay here and use the sun's warmth to power digestion. A meal this size could last the snake weeks. But another opportunity to eat may arrive sooner than expected.